Hey, my friends, it's Miss Buckram, and I'm here. I thought I would record a drill sound video so you guys could practice at home because you know what Miss Buckram says, practice makes better. So just like in the classroom, you guys are going to be my echo. So me and baby Echo are going to say the letter, the keyword picture, and the sound, and then you're going to be my echo and you're going to say it. So let's go on ahead and start. A apple. B bat b. C cat k. D dog d. E ed e. F fun f. G game g. H hat I itch I. J jug j. K kite k. L lamp o. M man m. N nut n. O octopus ah. P pan p. Q queen qu. R rat S snake s. T top t. U up V van v. W wind w. X fox x. Y yellow y. Z zebra z. All right, now we're going to do our digraphs. Remember, digraphs are two letters that are together that make one sound. CH, chin, ch. TH, thumb, th. WH, whistle, w. SH, ship, sh. CK, sock, k. All right, thank you guys for practicing with me at home. Have a good night. Bye.